amazing to be in the kitchen giving you recipes, ideas, and things what you can do at home to make your family happy and make the householders feel welcome. Anyway, today is just like I have some potato waffle and I decided to make something really fantastic like a brunch that you guys can enjoy at home with some vegetable and some cheese on top of it. Bake it in the oven 12 to 15 minutes, good to go. Enjoy the recipe, leave your comments below and follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook, Google+, and also we are on Amazon with the cookbook 50% off. It's amazing. Thank you so much to tune in to my show. Guys, I love you guys. Welcome back again with Chef Ricardo. Anyway, we're gonna use some potato waffle and make yourself a nice, lovely like a brunch lunch or a brunch breakfast lunch, or you can use it in the morning for breakfast or lunchtime. Also, this is how the waffles stay. And basically, I did start it already. Basically, what you need to do, make sure you put this on a piece of a greaseproof paper, put a little bit of cheese, salt, take off the veg, and then you put it on top of it and do it like this. Alright, lovely. Nice, I love it. Welcome back again, guys. It's amazing. Anyway, today we're gonna show you how you can make yourself a nice, lovely either brunch breakfast, or you know what I mean, you can use hash brown and make yourself something lovely at night at home. Basically what I'm going to do, I'm just gonna explain to tell you what I have right here, guys. Right here I have red pepper, green pepper, yellow pepper, spring onion, and some chopped tomato, really finely chopped up. Right here I have 3 hash brown right here. This is the one that you can buy in the supermarket, or if you can make it at home, make it at home. But this is the one I brought in the supermarket, which is already fried. I only need to just cook this inside of the in the oven for roughly about 12 minutes in the oven. Sometimes it take less, yeah, depends. What I'm going to do is put some cheese like this on top of the hash brown. This is some strong grated cheddar cheese. I'm gonna give you one of my nice, lovely little secret recipe, which I've been working with the other day, from the other day. Nice one. So after you do this, yeah, put this one side. Then this right here, this is the peppers. What we're going to do, we're just going to simply saute off this on the stove for about 2 seconds. Alright? Alright, love it. Pop a little bit of oil, olive oil or vegetable oil. And next, put in all of your veg. As you can see, I'm just start taking off this after about 3 seconds. Then next, a little bit of coarse pepper. Pinch of mixed herb. Nice, I love it. So now this is finished. Nice one. So what we're gonna do now, go to the next level of this, do it by doing this. Simple. Now what we're going to do now, we're just gonna simply finish off this now with some cheese on top. like this. Lovely. And then what next I can do is just bake this in the oven for roughly about 20 minutes on gas mark 8 or 7. If you're using electric oven, 165 is good for 15 minutes the least inside of the oven. Check it until you see the waffles, the potato waffle get brown, get that lovely color, and the cheese melt off, and you'll be happy with it. So guys, enjoy the recipe. Hopefully we just like this one, and this is from Chef Ricardo on the team, working very hard to find a recipe for the fans. Alright, enjoy it as we make it in the oven now. Nice and lovely. Just take it from the oven, guys. As you can see right here, it's just amazing. Look at that, beautiful, with the cheese just melt off on top of it. And I know the fans will love this. It's just an ideas which I'm sharing with you guys. You can have this like a brunch lunch, so enjoy it. It's just some potato waffle with some cheese and veg on top of it. Let's put it on the plate and see the way they look on the plate. Enjoy it. Lovely and nice. So this is the way they look on the plate, and they're looking so fantastic and really nice. So guys, enjoy it, and please subscribe my channel. We got a lot more ideas, recipe coming your way. Stay tuned with my show, and see you next time. Bye bye.